How to see linked accounts on Steam. Now, unfortunately, there is no immediate option for you to be able to just automatically see all the linked accounts that you've connected over to your Steam. So the only way that getting this method to work is via the customer support. Now, reaching out to customer support in a fast way is by going to help, and then going directly to Steam support. Once you're here, scroll down and choose on Steam client, then choose on offline mode. From here, contact Steam support. Now in here, all you have to do is just to key in and be detailed that you would like to know if what are the accounts or other platforms that you have connected over your Steam account with. Once the customer support replies to you, all the connected platforms from your Steam will be visible from there. So that's it. That's the very least option for you to be able to see all the linked accounts on your Steam.